Look at this tree. Does anybody recognize what this tree is? Because this tree is driving me crazy. Every day, and literally every day. Little nuts that come falling down on the truck. Look, every day it's like this. I'm tired of it. First of all, let me know if you know what tree this is and if it's going to be year round. These nuts. Oh my God. The nuts or the fruit, whatever it is that's falling on the driveway. Is it going to be year round or it's just like a seasonal thing? But in any case, I'm going to cover up the bed. That's what I'm doing in this video. Less than 24 hours later, look the amount of these nuts coming down from this tree. Please, today we're going to put an end to this. I'm going to install the bed cover. This is what I'm installing today. MaxMate, I have it. I bought it on Amazon. You know how you do stuff that nowadays, right? With Amazon, right? You go to YouTube, you check all kinds of reviews and see what you think might be best. Then you go to Amazon, choose between all the fake, no, actually not fake, but the reviews what people write. Sometimes you can see that it was like bought reviews and stuff like that, and try to figure out if you got the right deal, if you got the right thing. There are quite a few options out there for bed covers. There's like a tri-fold where it folds and unfolds into three pieces, and then there's roll up ones. And so I just figured out I didn't want the tri-fold. I want to go with the rolled up one. So that's what I got, a company named MaxMate. I bought it by myself. It's not sponsored by anyone. It's supposed to be an easy fix, an easy install, and that's what we're gonna do right now. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this Boeing shirt and why I have the airplane right over there, well, that's because, if you don't know, I'm also an airline pilot. Look how nice. We're at 39,000 feet, and the clouds are right at our height.
124,625.
How cool is that, huh? Take a look. Very soon. Samama. And I wasn't saying that to brag and show off. I just wanted to know that sometimes I do put content out there about airplanes, about this beauty, and hoping that you'd subscribe because you find me pretty cool. So let's get on with the install. Okay, first step is going to be to glue on this, there's like a seal, a foam seal, because as you can see, the rail over here, the front rail is lower than the side rail. So you want to have it the same height right there. Some rubbing alcohol. loosen this screw, take it out, and then it goes, that plastic thing goes into here. I'm sliding the rail a little bit back because you see that little tab right there that I just took the screw out, or the bolt on from the other side? That needs to fit right in here. Right in here. So slice right in there. There you go. See how it's sliding? It's slid in. I did that on both sides. And now I install the bolt, the screw, back in from this side and tighten it down. That's what creates the structure. Now you need to look inside. If it's tight in the front, and it looks pretty good, maybe I can use another seal in the front. That's why they give you this. Got a slight belly in the top, like so water falls to the sides and doesn't. Check below, I'll have a link below where you can pick this up. I get a small commission, not on your side, from Amazon side, so you shouldn't mind. This is pretty cool. Solved my problem, dude. There is one last thing that I did not need, but is an option. If for some reason it's not fitting properly and it's not tight enough, or it's too tight, then what they have is over here, right here. You see these? You can actually loosen up the screws and then move this forward or backwards, get the proper fit. If it's too tight, move it forward a little bit, or not enough, move it back. I think it was like somewhere lower than, like less than $200. I think it's a huge improvement. First of all, the functionality, and second, the looks as well. This is the manufacturer. It was a pretty install. It took me about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes with a videotaping. So that's it, guys. I am Holy Shift. Hope you enjoyed this one. Stick around, click subscribe, did that, so you can get some content on my 2025 Africa Twin, my Tacoma 2011, and aviation stuff sometimes, you see? Kind of stuff like that. Holy Shift. Peace out, guys.